In today's video, I'll be talking about how to recover coins out of your compromised cryptocurrency wallet. I'll be as transparent as possible. Now let's start with the bad news. If the hacker or scammer already withdrew all of the money out of your wallet, unfortunately there's no way to redo or revise blockchain transactions and your funds are lost forever. But what if there's still some funds in the wallet? Maybe you're staking coins and the hacker doesn't realize yet. Maybe you're involved in an affiliate marketing contract and every week or every day you get some money sent into your wallet. Or maybe there's an NFT in your wallet, or you're providing liquidity to PancakeSwap or another decentralized exchange. In that case, there's still something you can do. So let's talk about it. I can help you. Over the past couple of months, I've been building my rescue service. And I've been fortunate enough to help over 50 people recover the funds out of their compromised cryptocurrency wallets. And I will also show you the bot I'm using in order to do those rescues, so stay tuned for that. I've been involved with staking, like Drip or any other staking exchange, affiliate marketing contracts, someone who was providing liquidity and wanted to get the funds out, and of course, I've also rescued multiple NFTs.
Hey, we won it.
Hey, thank you so much. You are definitely the hero of the day. I really appreciate you. God bless you. We did it. We had fun a little bit, but we are freaking scared of this. But hey, we made it. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. I appreciate you so much.
Ha ha ha.
So if you're looking for a professional to rescue the funds out of your wallet, please feel free to shoot me a message on Telegram at Lucasen. All I charge is a 20% fee of all rescued funds. And yes, that's right, there's no upfront costs to you. Kindly note that I don't work on wallets with less than $500 in them. The reason for that is because in order to rescue the funds, I need to analyze the wallet, need to see what the hacker is doing or the scammer is doing, and need to come up with a plan to rescue the funds. In most cases, this is quite time consuming. So I don't really have time to go with wallets that have less than $100 worth of fees for me. If you have $300 in your wallet and you'd still like me to do the rescue, I charge at least $100. If you're involved in so-called faucet projects, like Drip, the most known example, I will be able to fully automate your wallet, and my bot will go into your wallet and take out the Drip staking 1, 2, maybe 3 times a day. All of this will be fully automated and you won't have to spend any time. My bot will also send you 80% of the rescued funds automatically and will send me just 20% as the fees. So now I'll be showing you how I would do my rescues. This is just one of many scenarios, but it's the most simple one to explain and show to you guys. First of all, we've got 2 wallets. The sponsor wallet, in which is BNB to pay for the gas fees, and the compromised wallet, in which there's BUSD, which we want to rescue. I've already set up my bot. You can see that the information I entered in the bot is the donor key, the private key of my donor wallet or sponsor wallet, and the private key of my victim wallet, the compromised or hacked wallet. Then I've specified the token contract address, which in this case is BUSD, and now what this bot will do is every single block that's getting mined, it will ask the blockchain if there's any BUSD in my wallet or in the compromised wallet. And if so, it will create a transaction bundle in which it will send BNB to then in the same block take out the BUSD, which leads to the hacker not being able to see that we're going to interact with the wallet. Thus, there's nothing he can do about it. I'll show it to you now. I'm gonna run and debug the bot. You can then see the debug console. Most of this will be blurred out because I don't want you guys to see my private notes information. And the next thing we're going to do is we're gonna go over to this wallet, and you can see that the BUSD got taken out, and when I go over to the sponsor wallet, the BUSD got sent to our sponsor wallet. So we just rescued 30 BUSD out of a compromised wallet. I'll show it to you on the Binance Smart Chain scan as well. The BNB got sent out, and then in the same block, the BUSD got transferred out of the compromised wallet. And just 3 seconds later, my premium withdrawal bot, which is for sale, however, it won't allow you to rescue tokens, it's just a really fast withdrawal bot. And in just 3 seconds, the BNB got sent forward to the donor wallet as well. And this was a really fast rescue. And I will also show you 2 random wallets of which I'm still working on as well. Pretty much everything on the screen will be blurred out because I don't want you guys or anyone at all to know the wallets I'm working on due to privacy reasons. However, when I go over to the H, which also will be blurred out, you can see that in this bundle, funds got sent in, then they withdrew and send out the funds all in the same block. It's a transfer that's coming in, then there's a contract interaction which will be blurred out as well, and they transfer. So that's 3 transactions in the same block, and now we're under the BEP20 token section. You can see that the funds come in, and then they get sent out in the same block. Now all of this is completely automatic. I've set up the bot to every X amount of hours come in, rescue the funds, and do so after a few hours again. Another wallet I'm working on is this one. Now, I'm comfortable telling you guys it's a drip wallet, however the rest of the information will be blurred out as well. And as you can see, we send in the BNB for gas fees, we claim the drip, and we transfer the drip outwards. And now, as you can see, every X amount of hours, once again, my bot comes in, funds the wallet or the compromised wallet with some BNB for the gas fees, it claims, and it transfers out the drip. Then the BNB gets sent out as well, and once again we send in BNB, claim the drip, send the drip out. We send in BNB, we claim the drip, we send the drip out. You get the point. If you want someone to automate your wallet, please message me at Lucasen on Telegram. Also, kindly note that there is a lot of people pretending to be me. I do only have one Telegram, it's at Lucasen, and you spelled exactly like this. Any other handle or username is in fact not me. Please always ask if I want to hop on a video call because I'm always willing to do so you can verify it's me. I don't want any of you guys to get scammed. Also, I do have one Telegram channel as well, it's at LucasenBots. You write it exactly like this, and any other handle or username is once again not me. So please be cautious about this, and with all of that being said, I'd like to help you out, so if I can do something for you, please shoot me a message on Telegram, at Lucasen. And I'll talk to you there.